Tired of your website being buried in the depths of Google? Today, we're unlocking the secrets to catapulting your website onto Google's coveted first page, dramatically increasing your online visibility and organic traffic in just a few steps. First, let's dive into keyword research. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner or Ahrefs to discover the exact terms your target audience is searching for, focusing on keywords with high search volume and low competition. Next, optimize your on-page SEO. This means crafting compelling title tags and meta descriptions that entice clicks, structuring your content with relevant header tags like H1 and H2, and ensuring your website is mobile-friendly and loads quickly, all contributing to better user experience. Link building is crucial. Earn high-quality backlinks from reputable websites in your niche by creating valuable content that others want to share and link to. Think guest blogging, participating in industry forums, and reaching out to relevant websites for collaborations. Content is king. Create high-quality, informative, and engaging content that satisfies user intent. This could be blog posts, videos, infographics, or anything that provides value to your audience and keeps them coming back for more. By implementing these SEO strategies, you'll be well on your way to achieving that first page ranking, boosting your online presence, and driving more qualified traffic to your website.